Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ujjwal Gupta coming up with my presentation on how to overcome loneliness. So, following are the contents of my presentation. So, what is loneliness? Well, common definition of loneliness describes it as a state of solitude or being alone. Loneliness is actually a state of mind. Loneliness causes people to feel empty, alone, and unwanted. People who are lonely often crave human contact, but their state of minds may make it more difficult to form connection with other people. Researchers suggest that loneliness is associated with social isolation, poor social skill, and depression. Signs of loneliness. So these are some signs that can indicate that someone dealing with loneliness. Being shy when social interacting. The people often make unrealistic social comparison. They people so self-conscious and so that it prevents them from speaking up and socializing most of the time. They wanted to be isolated and did not put any effort to reach other people. They try to comfort themselves with food, but overeating never can make them feel better. Lonely people start oversleeping, but they do not feel rested. Causes of loneliness. So these are some causes of loneliness. Fear of rejection. Fear of rejection is one of the cause of loneliness because people have fear to get rejected. Hence, they do not approach any other people for conversation. Lack of acceptance. Lonely people deal with lack of acceptance problem. They have believed that other people not accept them. Distrust other. Trust issue often comes from early experiences. These experiences often take in childhood. Some people do not get enough care and acceptance in their childhood. Isolation. Social isolation can lead to loneliness in some people, while others can feel lonely without being socially isolated. Insecurity. The core cause of insecurity is often lack of self-love. One sign of insecurity is low self-esteem, particularly when the image seems to be inconsistent with external observation. Health risks associated with loneliness. So coming up to the next, what adverse effect does loneliness has on our health? According to the research, it has linked up with higher risk of physical and mental condition like high blood pressure, heart diseases, anxiety, depression, and even it can cause death. So a person feel isolated, he or she start taking drugs, alcohol to just overcome her mental stability. Due to this stress level also increases, a person try to socially withdraw himself from everything. But it should not be done as it destroy our health. How to help loved ones deal with loneliness. So guys, let's conclude our presentation with discussing how we can help our near and dear ones to overcome with their loneliness. Firstly and most important, we should listen to their problem without judging them. Try to spend time with them. Encourage them in a various form. Support them. Avoid being rude to them. Try to motivate them by realizing their ability that they can do anything that want. Nothing is just impossible for them. And I'm sure they would find a source of love and care in others, and this would be helpful to overcome their loneliness respectively. So these are the references which I use for making my presentation. Thank you all for your patience.